a to some degree hazardous shape pervades the Lexus RX with greater identity. However, we're not persuaded it's an extraordinary long-haul play. With the most recent RX, Lexus took off on a styling digression intended to isolate genuine fans from drive-by customers. Did it work? Do you like the to some degree stunning plan, or does the plainer Q5 do the trap? Will it look as brave in a couple of years? We get blended messages from the wild Benz, so we give it a 7 for styling. Read more about how we rate autos this year. The plan problem begins at the axle grille. Some time ago, it left fundamentally from Lexus saved plans. Presently, it's typical over the lineup, less stunning. It works better on enormous SUVs with huge front closures, and here on the Lexus RX, it's developed on us. From that point on back, the RX plunges into the profound end of the styling pool. The drifting shade impact for the rooftop is a striking touch, however it came after. A similar look made its introduction on the Nissan Murano, a hybrid that is everything except a direct RX equal. Beneath that covering, Lexus shapes and flares the RX in lavish ways. The RX has fun loving surfaces and emits in a close steady stream of outline illogical conclusions. The old uncontroversial Taylor period RX has been closed down, and this Kanye variant won't let it wrap up. The RX Lodge remains a position of quiet and request, less occupied than the sheet metal. The cockpit separates from the bustling scene outside, and from its showy protection, the dash receives a level subject with expansive thin groups separating controls into upper and lower zones, while a hilter-kilter swoop shapes the middle stack. The middle support gets its own loopy bend, a line that can't sit for the driver. Lexus has stifled a portion of the messiness on the dash, however has infused some cool plan stylish with metallic and matte trims, bamboo and dim wood. On the yearning F Sport, lipstick, red calfskin trickles from the entryway boards and seats. In the most scurrilous way, Lexus is changing, and this RX marks the point where it's traversed into an altogether more conspicuous domain.